Hola amigos, bienvenidos. Let's go places. Today we are learning one of the most useful verbs in Spanish, the verb ir, which means to go. You will learn three important things: how to conjugate the verb ir, how to say where you are going using ir plus a plus place, and how to talk about the near future using ir plus a plus infinitive. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say things like voy a la biblioteca, vamos al parque, and voy a estudiar. Let's get started. First, let's learn the conjugation. The verb ir is irregular, so we must memorize it. The conjugation forms are yo voy, tú vas, usted va, él va, ella va, nosotros vamos, vosotros vais, ustedes van, ellos van, ellas van. So, since ir means to go, we can use it to go places. Here are some common places you might go. La biblioteca, the library. El parque, the park. La iglesia, the church. La mezquita, the mosque. El gimnasio, the gym. La escuela, the school. El restaurante, the restaurant. El supermercado, the supermarket. El cine, the movie theater. El parque de atracciones, the amusement park. When you want to say where you are going, Spanish uses this structure: ir plus a plus place. The word a means to. Let's see some examples. Yo voy a la biblioteca. I go to the library. Nosotros vamos al parque. We are going to the park. Notice something important. A plus el equals all. What do I mean? Remember, we're conjugating ir followed by a. Where are we going? To the park. Park is el parque. Because the article el comes after a, we must combine these two words and they become all. So now we have vamos al parque. Got it? All right, let's look at our next example. Ella va a la iglesia. She goes to church. Él va a la mezquita. He goes to the mosque. Yo voy al gimnasio. I go to the gym. All right, estudiantes. Let's do a quick practice. How do you say, I go to the park? How would you complete this sentence? If you said, yo voy al parque, you're correct. Here's one more practice sentence. How do you say, we are going to the library? How would you complete this sentence? I hope you said, nosotros vamos a la biblioteca. So, Spanish also uses the verb ir to talk about the near future. In this case, the formula is ir plus a plus infinitive. Remember, an infinitive is the verb form that ends with ar, er, or ir. Using this structure with ir means going to do something. Here are some examples. Yo voy a estudiar. I am going to study. Vamos a jugar al fútbol. We are going to play soccer. Ella va a dormir. She is going to sleep. And finally, tú vas a comer. You are going to eat. Now, let's do a lesson recap. Today, we learned 3 important things about the verb ir. Its conjugation, using ir plus a plus place to talk about where someone is going, and using ir plus a plus infinitive to talk about doing something in the near future. Now you can talk about where you are going and what you are going to do. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. Finally, before you go, can you tell me in the comments, ¿A dónde vas hoy? Where are you going today? Hasta pronto!